How to streak on Snapchat app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start a streak on Snapchat. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you're inside the app, simply take a photo or video of anything you like. And once you have taken the snap, simply type streak on the snap, and this lets your friends know that you want to start a streak. And after that, send the snap to the person you want to streak with. And with that being said, your friends need to send back a snap to keep the streak going. And to keep the streak alive, you and your friends must exchange snap at least once a day to maintain the streak. And after 3 consecutive days, you will see a fire emoji appearing next to their name. And the number beside the fire emoji represents how many days the streak has been active. And that's it. Now you know how to streak on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.